Have you ever wondered how to divide an apple equally among three friends, or how to split a day's work into manageable chunks? The answer lies in that magical mathematical concept known as fractions. A fraction, in its simplest form, is a way of expressing a part of a whole. It's like taking a pizza and dividing it into slices. Each slice represents a fraction of the entire pizza. To understand this concept, think of a fraction as a division problem. A fraction is represented by two numbers separated by a slash or a horizontal line. The number above or to the left of the line is called the numerator, while the number below or to the right is the denominator. The numerator represents the part that we have, while the denominator represents the total number of equal parts. For instance, if we have a pizza cut into 8 equal parts and we eat 3, we can represent this as 3/8. Here, 3 is the numerator, and 8 is the denominator. Fractions can be of different types. Proper fractions are those where the numerator is less than the denominator, representing a part of a whole that is less than 1. Improper fractions, on the other hand, are those where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, representing a whole number or more. Another type of fraction is the mixed number, which comprises a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 2½ is a mixed number, where 2 is the whole number and 1/2 is the fraction. The beauty of fractions is that they can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided. When adding or subtracting fractions, we need to find a common denominator. Multiplication involves multiplying the numerators and denominators, while division involves multiplying by the reciprocal, where the numerator and denominator are swapped. Fractions can also be compared. To compare two fractions, we convert them to a common denominator and compare the numerators. This helps us understand which fraction represents a larger or smaller part of the whole. The concept of fractions is fundamental to our daily life and forms the basis for more complex mathematical principles. Remember, the numerator represents our part, the denominator represents the total, and different operations can be performed using these fractions. To summarize, fractions are a way of expressing a part of a whole. They consist of a numerator and a denominator, can be of different types, and can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided. They are an integral part of our life, helping us divide and allocate resources efficiently. So the next time you're sharing a pizza with friends or dividing tasks for the day, remember, you're essentially dealing with fractions.